Hello tech freaks. In this project, we are using two color module to display different variants of red and green color using a server application. We are using these components. First is Node MCU ESP8266 CP2102 wireless module, two color sensor module, Node MCU USB cable, 830 point breadboard, and several jumper wires, that is male to female. First of all, attach this Node MCU on the breadboard. Now connect this two color sensor module with the Node MCU. Connect ground pin of two color sensor module with the ground pin of Node MCU. Now connect the middle pin of two color sensor module, that is the red pin. With the D7 pin, that is GPIO pin of Node MCU module. Now connect green pin, mentioned as S, that is signal pin of the two color sensor module, with the D6 pin of Node MCU module, that is GPIO 12 pin. As you can see, all the connections are completed. Open the code in the Arduino IDE, then click on Files, then go to Preferences, open the Notepad. Here you can see the URL. Copy this link and paste it on additional boards manager URL. Then click OK. Now go to Tools. Then Boards Manager, and then search for ESP8266. Here we are installing this because in the normal Arduino IDE it is not installed. So we are installing it. Then go to Tools. Then select the board, that is Node MCU 1.0 ESP12E module. All the settings should be the same as shown above in the video. Now I will explain the code. This is ESP8266 Wi-Fi library that is already installed after downloading the ESP8266 library. Enter the correct ID and Wi-Fi password you are using. Select the baud rate in serial monitor, same as shown above in video. Now upload the code. Coding link given in description. LED will blink on ESP8266 module until the code is uploaded completely. As you can see, the code is uploaded. After uploading the code, open serial monitor, you will see the URL. Copy this and paste it in the new tab on any search engine. Click enter. Wait until it shows the LED status with the URL as LED on and LED off. When you click on the green button, green LED will turn on, and if click on red button, red LED will turn on, and the connectivity status can be seen on serial monitor.